What's up, y'all? It's your girl Cash Liani, and clearly I just woke the hell up because you see my hair is a mess. So while I get myself together a little bit, I'm just gonna tell you guys what I'm finna do. So I've been noticing now that I've been on my own and I'm an adult now, that my teeth are like a little yellow. And I know certain foods stain your teeth, certain drinks stain your teeth. And I'm starting to realize that I'm a victim of that because my teeth are stained. I don't want to say my teeth are yellow because bitch stained. Sorry for the ashiness, I just brushed my teeth. But as I was saying, my teeth is a little stained, so a company called LA Smile reached out to your girl to try and test out this new product. It's not really new, but it's new to me. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's called LA Smile. I'm annoying, but excuse my ashy face. So I'm opening it. It's brand new, as you can see. It's brand spanking new, man. It's just new, totally new. Still in the packaging. It's just new. Ooh. And now, So looking on the box, this is how the box looks. It says LA Smile Teeth Whitener Kit, and on the back it provides you with the products that's inside and some instructions. Not instructions, ingredients. So it says you get you can't even see mine. So it says you get a whitening accelerator, you get some advanced whitening gel, you get a mouth tray, a manual, and a paper shade guide. So this product is also vegan friendly, it's not tested on animals, and it's claiming to give fast results. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. So these are the whitening gel, mouth tray. The whitening accelerator and the mouth tray. It's pretty cool. Oh, it's so cute. It has like the little lips on the tubes. That's so cute. It says, here's how it works. And it has some steps and tips. Now I'm gonna read you the steps. It says to clean teeth, gently clean teeth by brushing with toothpaste. Take the battery out of the LED light, remove the plastic, and reinsert the battery to turn on. Simply attach the mouth tray. So I'm guessing it means to attach the light accelerator to the mouth tray. Apply 1/4 of the syringe gel to the top, also the bottom of the mouth tray. Apply to the face of the mouth tray, like where your teeth are sitting. Relax and let whitening process begin. The LED light will automatically turn off once your 10-minute session is up. Rinse your mouth with warm water to get rid of any residue and smile. So that's pretty easy. And it says daily use is recommended for best results. Limit the intake of dark colored food and beverages such as red wine, coffee, and tea before and after application, and apply pressure to the mouthpiece while whitening. Now in the back is this little pocket, and in here it has this teeth chart to see how white your teeth are. So now I'm just gonna pause this video because it's clearly I just woke up. I'm gonna pause this video, take a picture to document how my teeth look right now, and yeah, I'll show you how it works. So I'm gonna insert the picture right here. So judging on this, I feel like my teeth are at like a 7-8, which is pretty freaking bad. Like, bruh. It's not really apparent when I talk and when I smile, because see, my teeth, it looks white, but truly it's not. So I'm gonna test this product out right now. As for the instructions, again, it says to clean teeth, which is check 1. I woke up and did that. Now I'm going to take out the LED. So you just turn it and pull. Take the battery out. Goes 2 of them. Remove the plastic. This is the little plastic that was in there. And reinsert the battery. And it's ready. So now I'm gonna get the mouth tray and attach it. So it has like a little pocket where you could just slide it in. So that's what I'm doing. It should look like this. Now I'm taking a syringe. Take the one from the top. The syringe also has like it marked. You see 1, 4, 2, 4.